We got a 2024 BMW X3M competition. See that? Right there, Competizione, all right, X3M. This thing is a sweet little SUV. It's got about 600 horsepower. It's a beast. It's got all-wheel drive and it's got quad exhaust. We're slapping a Dynan system on there today. We're just gonna show you what it sounds like before the Dynan system, what it's gonna sound like after the Dynan system. We're gonna show you the whole install. We're gonna show you pretty much whatever it takes to install this catback system on a car like this. Like I said, we got X3M. This is one of the sweetest subcompact SUVs you can buy. So this compares to a GLC 63 or maybe like an Alfa Romeo SUV Quadrifoglio. We got a decibel reader so you guys can hear what it sounds like. We got a decibel reading right here. You guys can see I'm talking at about 70 decibels, 80 decibels. So we're gonna crank this thing, let you guys hear what it sounds like from factory, and then when we're done, we're gonna rev it and see if it hits better numbers. That's a cold start, idle, sitting at around 90. Comes down, idle's about 85. Matt, hit it in regular mode. Valves closed, hit about 90. One more time, Matt. All right. Valves closed, hit about 100 max. I'm gonna open up the valves, see what happens. Hit the valves open, M2, Matt. One more time. All right, looks like it hit like 106 from the factory. That's way too quiet for a car like this. This is a high performance vehicle. We gotta amplify that tone. We're trying to get around, 110, 115, somewhere around there. And you'll have a valve that opens and closes so you can come back down to around 80, 90. And then you have an open decibel when the exhaust is wide open, around 120. So that's what we're shooting for. Stay tuned. Got the Dynan system all wrapped up, looks sweet. Got the huge 4.5-inch black powder coated tips. Got Dynan on top. We're gonna drop it, show it to you guys. We got the valves mocked up, Dynan muffler installed, Dynan midsection up to the resonator installed. Everything's got good clearance. You guys can see. Gotta install this correct or else you got touching everywhere. And then you get rattles and then customers unhappy. So you gotta do it right. Come to Gexhaust where we do it right. Not like the other shops down the street, you know what I'm saying? But Dynan system all mocked up. Looks pretty badass. You guys can see it. I'm gonna drop it, test the valves, make sure the valve's working correctly, and garbage. Huge upgrade right here for this car. So I'm gonna drop it right now. Matt's getting rid of these boxes. Got the coffin. And yeah, make this Beamer sound sick. Already a better idle. Idle's at 100. Give it a second, I'm gonna let the idles come down, then we're gonna rev it in stock, and then M2 mode. M2, all right, M2 mode, valves open. Go. Hell yeah, pretty sweet. Hit 105, 108, definitely louder than the factory, but a lot cleaner, a lot more gurgles, a lot more pops and bangs, which is exactly what every BMW wants. So that's it, that's the Dynan system, axle back setup. If you want a little bit more sound than that, you do the midsection, amplifies the tone even more. We also have that available at either shop, Davie or Oakland Park. We have a bunch of stuff available for these BMWs at gexhaust.com. And if you're not local, shipping worldwide, or nationwide, I should say. But yeah, follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube. Shout out to the BMWs. So got the Dynan system installed. Sounds sweet. You guys can hear it. Sounds factory until the valves open it up, then it wakes it up. Get those pops and bangs and gurgles and burbles and whatnot. But yeah, sounds pretty sweet. Valves are actually closed right now. Zero drone. Sounds pretty damn sweet. Let's give this a couple revs in eco mode. Clean, factory, baby. Let's put this thing in M2. Nice little crackles. Zero drone as well. It's pretty awesome. I think this thing can definitely use a mid pipe. Maybe get a little bit more aggressive out the back. But yeah, sounds great, guys. The customer's going to be ecstatic. Dyna is definitely the way to go for aftermarket systems on these BMWs.